Hello. In this short video, I introduce the app library that comes with Graphileon 3.1. The app library allows you to rapidly install Graphileon configurations that you can learn from or use as a starting point to build upon. On the default dashboard of Graphileon 3.1, you will find a new blue shortcut button, App Library. When clicking this button, the list of apps is retrieved. We currently have just a couple of apps, including a Hello World and some other basic examples, but over time this list will grow. When you click on an app, Graphileon displays a description and you can preview the configuration. In the preview, you can click the nodes and relationships to inspect their properties. When you decide to install the app, Graphileon displays a confirm dialog. If you agree, the app is installed and the window reloads. To run the app, select the app dashboard and click the shortcut. Now, when you go back to the app library on the default dashboard, you see that the Hello World app is marked as installed. And from the app info window, you can uninstall the app. After the confirm, Graphileon will remove the app. Now, let's look at another small app, an example of a chart with an update button. The update button is created using a batch trigger that updates the data of the chart GS view. Note that you can inspect the configuration before you install anything to your application store. This will help you to get familiar with all the possibility that Graphileon offers. Once you go through the installation sequence, you can go to the app dashboard and run the app. Now let's look at a slightly more complex app. This is an app that illustrates how you can link charts. The app contains queries, a table, and charts. It has, for instance, a query that gets the initial dataset, which is then sent to a grid using a success trigger. There is also a row click trigger that maps the data from the row that the user clicks on to the parameter for the subsequent query. Okay, let's install this app as well. You know the drill by now. And when I go to the dashboard and click the shortcut, the grid and chart appear as expected. And the row click triggers the next three charts. These panels are floating now, but can be fixed as well. An additional chart appears when selecting an item on the bar chart. As you can see, the linked charts update dynamically. The data for this app is coming from the application store, so you do not need to provide additional data. Now let's go back to the app library one last time. Once you click on a row of an installed app, this blue badge button provides access to the configuration as it was created in your application store. This is your entry point to modify or extend the app. So far, our introduction of the app library. As I said in the beginning, we will be adding more examples in the near future, and we look forward to hearing from you if you have specific ideas for those apps. For now, thank you for watching and stay tuned.